taking over Chase's vlog.
Looking good.
Intro. Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys. I'm taking over Chase's vlog. And I'm driving his truck for the first time by myself. It's exciting.
Alright, I think due to being under the bridge, we gotta do a little rev. Just a little revs. So I'm gonna get back here and you can kind of just, each one of y'all just give a little rev.
You go first.
Yes. Sounds good.
Did I do it right?
Yeah.
Kinda, not really.
It was good.
Okay. We're gonna roll our windows down. Are my running lights on? Or what are they called? Headlights? Fog lights? Sorry, y'all. I guess they're on. Maybe. Oh, wait. Nope. Got them. Alright, guys. Here we go. Oh.
fine. You're good. Back up.
I wish y'all could see Chase right now.
Everyone needs to do this. Everybody needs to let someone drive your truck and let you see it, because good Lord, it's changing my life. I really don't want to change anything now. Woof! I smell some cow poop. Oh my Lord, baby, Scott, you dirty girl. That's sick.
Chase thinks I'm gonna crash his truck because he keeps looking back and checking on me.
Baby Squad be treating me right. I think it's one of the first times I've ever seen it. Just driving down a normal back road. Must admit, it looked pretty good.
What we did? Oh. Alright guys, well, there you have it. I took over Chase's vlog for just a little bit, so I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did. It was fun. Bye!
What even is? It's the epitome of not being able to get rollers right here. Oh, real?
Oh gosh.
Yeet!
Sorry.
What even is this? We were literally halfway on the road.